Hello there, I'm Alex, another member of the Roto-Rooter Rooties. Let's get to the reviews, shall we? This month brings us Mack from Denver. From Denver, alright. Mack writes, I called for an emergency service when our sump pump stopped working and Roto-Rooter quickly sent Jason to our home. He was super professional and immediately went to work during the water so he could identify the problem. He worked relentlessly for a couple hours and explained each step and option. Jason not only fixed the problem, but he thoroughly cleaned out the sump pit and did tests of the new pump to ensure it worked properly. Jason was not only a consummate professional, he was also polite and a cheerful gentleman. Thank you, Roto-Rooter, for replacing our sump pump and sending us such a professional plumber to take care of us. You're the man, Jason, and Roto-Rooter is glad to have you. I love you.